Hey guys, Phil here from the Sydney Trains Vlogs channel. Just a quick vlog of regular T-set carriage, a suburban T-set. On D6133 on T78. I've done a vlog before of XG set, outer suburban Tangara, or X outer suburban Tangara. Has seats that don't move back and forward. Car number. That's the top deck. This seat still has remnants of the unrefurbished days of the blue vinyl seating there. Emergency procedure. Another one over here. Here's the car number. Another emergency procedure. Mr. N-Car N5133. This one's actually got adverts up there. The N-Cars, the Tangara cars starting with 5. They're the ones with the motors. This part of the carriage here is a bit longer than the rest. Yeah, I'll try to go downstairs. I thought I saw someone down here, so I wasn't going to go. That's why the camera angle was a bit weird. Anyway, just same kind of seating as you saw in the D car. Car number. Also the car number there. It's the aircon unit. Little resting cushion there. Network map. Emergency procedure. Wheelchair space. Just pointing at the little things, and you also got an emergency help point just here. Car number and some rules. Anyway guys, I'm going to wrap this vlog up now. Just thought I would record the interior of this set of a D car and an N car. You see you got a emergency door release up here, and that which quite simply, yeah, I'm not going to twist it all the way, but you get the drift. If you twist it, the doors you could actually just pull open. Anyway, I'm just going to wrap this vlog up guys. Thanks so much for watching. See you in the next vlog. Bye for now.